Okay, let's have a look at B. 5b. Use your answer to part A to find the least value of 6x squared plus 36x minus 17. Right, so you can see that the 6x squared and the 36x is just triple this. But the minus 17 and the minus 7 will have to adjust. So let's start here and try and write it in this form so that we can replace it by this, and then we should be able to find the least value, shouldn't we? So, here, let's start that then. We've got this thing here, 6x squared plus 36x minus 17 is equal to, now I'm going to pull a 3 out, because that will enable us to write it as 2x squared plus 12x. Now, what do I want to put in there? I want to put in a minus 7, yeah? Because that's what we've got at the top. And then we'll see how it needs to be adjusted. So I'm going to put a minus 7 in there. Okay, and that will give me minus 21. But I want minus 17, so I'm going to need to just put in a plus 4 so that we've got the same value of minus 17 coming out from this expansion of this bracket, plus 4. So that's equal to then 3. Now we can replace this by this thing here. Yeah, agreed? So it's 2 lots of x plus 3 squared minus 25. So that's been replaced by this. We've still got our plus 4. Now we can have a good look at that now. So working with this then, expand the bracket. 3 times 2 is 6. X plus 3 squared. 3 times minus 25, when you expand that, you get minus 75. Okay, I'll write it out long-windedly, and then plus 4. So that's equal to then 6x plus 3 squared minus 75 plus 4 is minus 71. Now this will be, I'll put it here, less than or equal to minus 7. Hang on now, this is positive. So this is positive, so it'll be greater than or equal to. So I've got to be careful there, haven't I? So it's greater than or equal to minus 71. Agreed, because that's always positive. So positive minus 71 will always be bigger than minus 71. And this will equal 0 when x is minus 3. So minimum value is minus 71 at x equals minus 3. There we go. So hopefully that's what the question, the minimum value, and that's what the question said. What is the least value of that? And we did work it out with the inequality to get the minimum value. Okay then, that's 5b done then. Great.